the moment I'm in a metro station that's called King's University, and I'm waiting to go dadaepo beach. Perhaps the metro is coming soon, so let's go together.
The doors are on your right.
At the moment I'm in Somyun, it's so crowded, like there are a lot of people. I don't know where they are going, but I need to go to dadaepo beach, so I'm looking for the where is the metro, so I don't know exactly, but I'm looking. So let's sit together. Like I need to transfer the line, and that's why I'm just wondering. Let's see, what is this? It's Oppo Yangsang, Hyundai Jangsang, Soyun Kongan. So, like sometimes a lot of people from Bangladesh, like they feel that if we don't learn other languages, how our life will go. So perhaps it's gonna be really challenging if you don't know an international language. So as I know a little bit Korean as well as English, but right now I'm actually I'm just in a crucial moment. I'm just looking for the how can I actually transfer the line. So let's see. Ultimately I actually found the line that where I need to go. So I'm just waiting here, and as you can see there are also a lot of people they are waiting to go. If I talk a little bit about Korean transportation system, it's really cool because people normally obey the rules, but in other countries we normally see that they just deny the rules whatever are provided from government. So it's good to be here, and it's easy to go one place to another by metro, so that's why it's really used a lot. So I'm also going today in dadaepo beach, as I actually talked about it before. So let's go together. Here is a Korean older man, and
반갑습니다.
he's really curious because he's watching that I'm actually making videos. Right now I'm in a metro, it's so crowded as you can see, and there are a lot of people, and all of the people they are so old. I don't know why. Perhaps I'm actually visiting a local area where older people normally live, and you need to know that in village area or in countryside, older people normally live, and the younger people they actually live in city. So it can be the major reason that there are a lot of people who are old. Finally I've actually found a seat to sit, but I can't actually sit comfortably because there is a woman next to me, and there is an older man next to me, and she's there. But I don't know how to sit well in metro nowadays. It's kind of interesting experience that a majority of the people they feel that they're in trouble whenever they watch foreigners. It can be the reason that they are not so friendly to foreigners. So sometimes it's seen that a great amount of the people they don't like foreigners in South Korea. So I guess they also don't like me. Finally I've come the last station, and it's called dadaepo beach. So let's move. Right now I'm in the station, and actually speaking, if I show you that how it's clean, Like it's tremendous. It's charming, to be honest. Like it's so cold weather here. Like at the moment I'm in Dadaepo beach. It's so fantastic. Like can you see? I just feel I'm in my countryside area. It's good. 안녕하세요. And yeah, that's so fantastic. Like man, I can get it. So that's all. Have a good day.